Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll show you the smallest car charger available in India right now. It's the AMX P1 flash car charger. So AMX P1 is priced around 650 rupees in India, and this is one of the smallest car charger available. So you can see the box packing itself is very small. It's very small minimalistic box packing, and you can see the pricing mentioned is 699. So that is the maximum pricing, but then it's being sold at 649 rupees in India. So this is a dual port flash charging for your car, and this supports 5 volt 2.4 ampere. That means it can charge at 12 volt fast charging, and it's slightly higher than the regular 10 watt charging we see on most of the car chargers. So this is 12 watt charging available, and this is the AMX P1. So we'll just show you this device. It's a very small and minimalistic box package, and inside the box you can see the car charger. So let's just take this out. So you can see this is the AMX P1 car charger. You can see that it has the size of just a thumb, so that's extremely small car charger. And you can see that AMX is mentioned here. Let's see the voltage rating here, what is mentioned here. So input is 12 to 24 volt, that's DC, and output is 5 volt 2.4 ampere, that's the output 1, and output 2 is DC 5 volt 2.4 ampere, that's 12 watt charging. So total is 4.8 ampere, that's the total it can draw from both the ports. So you can see that this is made of metal, and it actually feels really nice. It's a solid and well built car charger, and you can see this is the port, and you also get dual ports here. You can see that both the ports are 2.4 ampere, and you can simultaneously do fast charging with this device, and both supports 12 volt. So that's the total 24 watt total output is available with this small car charger from AMX. So right now we are going to connect this small USB car charger. You can see that this is the smallest car charger available right now, and we are going to connect this to the charging port in our car. So this is the charging port, so we'll just open it, and we'll just insert this. So now we have inserted. You can see that we can even close the lid of the charging port, and you never know that the charger is inserted here. So you can see that the top level flushes to the top of the charging slot, so that makes it even more compact. You can see that now we have closed it. Now we'll just connect this port to our smartphone. So we have a USB type C port, and we're going to connect this to our smartphone. So you can see that this is the 2.5 ampere port, and we are going to connect it with the Huawei P30 Pro, and we'll just show you the options. So right now you can see that we have connected this to the cable, and you can see that now it's charging, and this is charging the smartphone, and you can see the charger in action. So that's the smallest car charger available right now, and this is the AMX car charger, which works really well. So that was a hands-on with the AMX P1, one of the smallest car chargers available right now. And this can be purchased either from Amazon, or you can actually purchase this from AMX website. So you can purchase it for around 649 rupees in India, and this is quite a handy charger available for your car. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.